Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we have got this stunning Nissan Qashqai in stock. This Qashqai is perfect for families. It's very spacious, it's versatile, it's got great specification. In today's video, I'm going to show you all around it so you know what to expect when coming here to the Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. So this Nissan Qashqai has the efficient 1.2 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox. This car offers a fuel economy on the combined cycle of 50 miles to the gallon, and it has 113 brake horsepower. This car is an insurance group 14E, it's Ulez compliant, and road tax is £195 for the year. And finally, this Nissan Qashqai was first registered in April 2018, and it has covered just over 63,000 miles. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a walk around and note any marks that we find. Starting off on the front bumper here, we have got some stone chips, very small, but they are there on the front bumper here. Keep walking around again, a few more stone chips just there, a couple more around there, but that seems to be it. We'll move on up to the bonnet, got a bit of a stone chip there. Couple of small ones there, stone chip there. Again, just a few stone chips scattered around there. Nothing serious. If I stand back, nothing major. Just that sort of stone chip there that makes a bit of a dent. Moving on to the windscreen. I can't see any chips or cracks on it. I'll just show you this front quarter here. So on this front quarter, we have got, again, a little stone chip there, a little scratch there. But this front quarter is all looking pretty good. Just show you the wheel. You've got a couple of little marks on the wheel, just there. We'll move down the driver's side, moving as we go, seeing what we see. Is there a bit of a mark there? Yeah, a little bit of a mark there, just on the rear driver's door. A bit of a dent there as well. Keep moving around. Just show you that wheel. We've got some marks on that wheel. Bit of a blemish there on that one. On the back here we've got, again, a few more of these marks. Not sure what they are, but you can see them just in the light there. And we'll keep moving around to the back here. Show you that rear bumper. On that rear bumper we've just got a few scratches. Nothing serious, I'm just pointing them out to you. And I think that's it for the rear bumper. The boot lid itself, I mean, we've got a bit of a scratch here just above the logo and another scratch just there, which you can sort of see in the reflection of my hand. The glass itself is all looking good. Can't see anything there. Moving around to this passenger rear quarter. It's all looking good down here to show you that wheel. The wheels are quite tidy. We have got a bit of marks, sort of a few little marks just there, the closer you get. So we're on this rear passenger door. Got a bit of a stone chip just there, a little bit of a mark there, but I think that's it for that one. Got a slight mark here, just on beneath the window of the passenger door. Mirrors all looking good. To show you this front quarter here, it's all quite shiny. We do have a bit of a scratch there just on the trim, and on the wheel we've got a couple of little marks just like that. I'll just show you that so you can see it. But that is about it for my little walk around, sort of noting any of the little damages that we find. Now we'll take a look inside. I did just notice this little scratch here as well as I was walking away, just on the passenger door there, beneath the handle. So we'll just open up the boot here. These are Qashqai boots. They are very large. And you can take out this floor here, which does extend your depth. You do get a lot more room that way. If I just move that false shelf and lift up this floor, you do have a tyre repair kit under there. So we're just in the back here, just show you these rear seats. The two outer ones do have ISOFIX, and if I just climb on in here, this middle section here does fold down into a cup holder. Now finally, we'll just take a look in the front here. The dashboard is immaculate, it's all looking very tidy. And there's a lot of buttons because there's a great spec on this car. I mean, you've got your lane warning system there. Got your cruise control, speed limiter are there. More steering mounted controls. Your keyless stop start, automatic headlights. There's your wiper controls. There's your centre console, which has sat nav, and it has a 360-degree view camera along with DAB. Electric handbrake. There's your gear stick, and there's your cup holders. I'll just show you these seats. So I do have a mark to report on these seats. On this driver's seat, we do have sort of a hole there in the centre, but the rest of the seats don't seem to have any damage on them. But that's all there is for the front here. Let's start her up. So I've put the keys in there, put my foot on the brake, just press the button there, put the handbrake down. Oh, also I did want to mention that this roof is panoramic too, as you can see. Just press this button here and it will close on up. So I'll just show you the dash whilst that's closing up. As you can see, the engine's on, it's all running, and there's no warning lights on the dash. I'll just show you that, it's all closed up. There we go. So this car will come with a fresh MOT, a service, and a 3-month 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 12-month one if you wish. So this car has had previous services, one done by an independent workshop in 2019, and then it's had main dealer services in 2021, 22, 23, 24, and it'll also be serviced by us ahead of delivery. If you like this car, you can secure the £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do offer finance and delivery also. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We're very proud of them. But thank you for watching.